Everest Jennings is proud to introduce the Rehab Shower Commode Chair to the rehab market. The Rehab Shower Chair increases patient self-sufficiency and mobility during their daily routine and is intended for indoor use as a personal hygiene device. It is made of a rust-resistant stainless steel frame that can be positioned directly in the shower and can fit over a standard height toilet. The chair can also be used as a portable toilet and standard wheelchair that is foldable for easy storage and transport. The user can either self-propel, promoting independence and privacy, or can be pushed by a caregiver. A vented foam compressed seat, securely tightened to the stainless steel frame with hooks, offers optimal comfort. The seat is sealed against moisture penetration and is easy to clean. The Rehab Shower Commode comes with the standard oval seat, facilitating toileting. The full-length arms are completely removable for ease and safety of patient transfer. Removable composite pail with lid is included. Push-to-lock wheel locks on 24-inch rear wheels secures chair when seated or stationary. Long-lasting stainless steel swing-away footrests keep legs secure during movement. Available with 14.5-inch low back and 17.5-inch high back with a 250-pound weight capacity evenly distributed, and a 17-inch seat width. Also available in two wider models, 16-inch low back and 19-inch high back with a 300-pound weight capacity evenly distributed, and a 20-inch seat width. The wider models have a wider oval seat and pail holder. Rehabilitation centers and the Veterans Administration have long worked to establish programs that specialize in the rehabilitation of spinal cord injury patients. Our wheelchairs reflect the commitment to quality, durability, efficiency, and patient comfort as a signature of our work. Versatility and independence in one chair. If you want more information about this product or other products, please visit www.grahamfield.com.